Hi, struggling to land a job abroad despite your experience? I'm about to share the story of one of our candidates who faced the same challenges you might be going through right now. No response, rejections, and career stagnations. If you relate to their journey and want a similar guidance, click the link in the description to talk with our senior career strategist and take the next step towards building your career abroad. Choose Auf Wiedersehen. So fantastic, Amit. How are you doing, Amit?
Uh, Pretty good now. Like bit
Feeling
of it.
happy or not? Tell me. After a long time, an offer
Yeah,
on your way.
yeah. So initially I was
Mhm.
uh, very happy, excited, but as the
Mhm.
days passed, I am now looking for some opportunities in Europe as well.
Wow.
So
But
yeah,
this is a good opportunity which you got in UAE, Dubai, as a
Mm.
marketing officer. So I think this is fantastic,
Yeah, and
Uh, yeah.
it's basically a French organization.
Wow. Wow. French organization.
Yeah. So
Superb. So Amit,
yeah,
that
Mhm.
sounds good, man. And when did they roll out the offer letter to you?
Sorry.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are
When did they
breaking.
roll out the offer letter to you? When did they do
Uh,
that?
just today itself, I got it and then I directly
You pinged
contacted.
me. I know you could. I was in the middle of another interview. In fact,
Mhm,
there are four interviews which cracked.
mhm,
One is you, Bishan, Kavita, and one more candidate. The four interviews, and with Shweta, it is in pipeline. Is happening in Italy. So this is
okay.
the one of the golden era of the time frame within a week that we got so many. But tell
Mhm.
me, Amit, I would like to ask you. In between you were busy with your schedule, then you came off on, but we consistently went on. So tell me, like Amit, I would like to take a small feedback from you
Mhm.
before you joined Orolingua and this process that went along, and then you got this. You know, what is the best takeaways that you took away from Orolingua? What are the best learnings that you found? Yes, this is something is really different, and I could have. Obviously, you don't need to reveal the strategies, but you can just
Yeah.
tell
Um,
your
Actually,
experience.
honestly speaking, before joining you guys, I have no idea about like how the things are or the nitty-gritty of
Hmm.
the HR's perspective as well, because we have the different mindset that we have some skill set, and based on that we will be getting some certain jobs in different markets. But uh, you I think guided very well in that, like it's not like that, because there are a lot of people, so we have to do something different, maybe in creating different type of CV, or the content you should have in the CV. Um, it should be ATS friendly, first of all. So
Hmm.
initial phase was quite interesting, wherein I was dedicatedly creating resume. Like on a daily basis, I created 4 or 5 resume based on your feedbacks, and then applied. But this job I got based on this CV itself, because there
Yeah,
were some openings going on, so I had just randomly tried for Dubai. I thought of let's see for
yeah.
Dubai as well. But
So you see, the strategies are so strong
mhm,
that it's like they say, right? Aim for the sky, and
mhm.
that's what you should do. So
And
because you are
yeah.
aiming for something, so
Mhm,
all these possibilities automatically arose,
mhm.
just based on your resume.
Wisdom. Yeah.
Just imagine, resume is just, I would say, 15%
Mhm,
of the factor which could get you a job. Just 15%. Resume is not 100%. That's what we always stress upon, that do not always look for resume. It is the combination of resume, combination of assessment of your skills and
mhm.
your alternative job title, the SWOT analysis,
Uh,
CR statement, resume, and then
Correct.
moving on to your strategies, the job search strategies, the team handhold strategies, and the mock interviews. So
Yeah,
various other parameters.
still have to go long right
Long
now,
way.
because long way, because I have only
Hmm.
done, I think, 50% of efforts for now, but I am
Yeah,
really
yeah.
looking forward for like, because from Europe I didn't got any like responses, but from here there are a lot
Hmm.
of
That's because you have not applied in Europe
yeah.
yet. That's why.
And even
If
yeah,
once you will start applying, you will start getting there also.
because
That's
the
for sure.
most challenging phase I think is this job
Mhm.
search and networking, and it's
Yeah.
quite challenging for me as well, I think.
But the team also helped you find locate
Yeah.
those jobs. So if you
Yes.
work on those
Mhm.
strategically, because we have fine-tuned those jobs specifically for you,
Mhm.
and also we can give you the connections now. Now we have got Smita can tell you. Smita, can you unmute yourself maybe? You have seen how the process works of job search. What do you have to say about
Yeah.
it, Smita?
So I think I was totally unaware of this networking, job search. Uh, I mean,
Mhm.
you have to target the uh, right people, and then it's very easy. Then network. I believe that networking is the most important factor in all this job search.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
And she has seen the inside tools of Aurolingo also. How do we do it?
Yeah,
How did you find that, Smita? The tools that we are
that
using.
is mind blowing. Mind blowing. It's just on a click.
Yeah, we have an access to a huge database from where we get it. So now do not stop. You've got an offer, fantastic. You have got an amazing offer in an amazing country, great. But do not forget your ultimate aim that you have decided. Okay.
Mhm.
And do not get too comfortable on your present role that you are getting.
Mhm.
From Dubai, moving to Europe is much easier. And
Okay.
we will continuously be in touch in supportive
Mhm.
way as well.
Okay.
Okay. My team is also there. My lot of mentees are already there. So they'll help you out also.
Okay.
And keep the aim,
Mhm.
focus on your alternative job titles, focus on everything, focus on networking that we have taught you, take the help from Aurolingo. We keep on publishing for our inner mentees the
Mhm.
jobs, the networks. You would have seen, right, in our community
Yeah.
how many jobs we are publishing, how many networks we are publishing, connections. So people are getting offered from either from the jobs that we are publishing or from the people. So make
Yeah.
best use of it, man. That's the best way you should go about.
Yeah. Sure.
Fantastic. So tell me, like, what is the plan now you have done? Like, when are you moving there? When have they called you for joining and all that?
So they are asking like by July I need to move
Hmm.
there. Uh,
By July. Okay. And
yeah.
what is the notice period that you are having in a present company?
So the good part was that I was recently moved to bench, and my last project got completed. And within 3 or 4 days, I got new project, and nowadays trainings were going on for the new project.
Yeah.
And I suddenly resigned, and they were just they were not feeling good about this. So they
So
uh,
they couldn't say anything also
yeah,
anyways.
yeah.
It's
So
like
maybe they will
just
release me
happened.
early. Yeah, they will release me early.
Nice, nice. Fantastic. So I wish you all the best. A lot of learnings you have taken, lot of things that you have taken. Keep working on this, keep progressing on this domain specifically step by step by step.
And
And yeah.
one more thing, I just wanted to share that whenever I used to talk with you, I feel very positive about like something will happen, something good will happen to me, maybe.
Thank you
So
so
it's
much.
really
Same is with me. Whenever I
yeah, because
talk to
Thank you.
him, it's
since so
very,
many
very
days I had
happy.
not talked to you, so my energy was quite low in searching here or there in Europe as well. Now I talk to you, maybe I'm totally charged up, so I have to search in Europe as well in between.
Please, please, absolutely. With our expertise,
Mm,
do that. We are expanding all over the globe gradually. So I'm sure that, once you will start moving around with this, see, every milestone is an achievement.
mm,
Every position that you take has a consequence to the next milestone. So where you have gone right now, you cannot see. You may see it, okay, it's a temporary phase, but I know this position will be giving you a kickstart to the next achievement that you want to have.
mm,
And I know because Dubai is gonna be the easy chapter for you to unroll into the next one. Okay,
mm.
this is you're gonna see it once you move there how easy it is for you.
Okay.
And this is the golden phase. So, I'm not going to ask you about your salaries and all that stuff. Keep it confidential. Do not discuss with anybody, I would say. Okay. And gradually make the best use of it. And how is your family? You're going to move alone with the family? How is it going to be?
So for like next 6 months, my wife will be staying here only. Maybe after
Hmm.
that, because she is in TCS right
Hmm.
now, so it's really tough for us to take the decision that she will also come along with me. But we are
Hmm.
trying for her as well in Dubai, maybe if she gets.
Absolutely. I think best part is now directly move towards the European regions. Okay.
Mm.
This is a temporary phase which you got with our help, and now move from here to there and directly get her. You are having this, family invitations, which have become pretty easy now in Germany. Family reunification has become pretty easy. Even during studies, you saw my post recently I had put in my LinkedIn.
Mm.
Even during studies, you can reunite with your family. So they have become very easy, very flexible,
Mm.
and this shows that we are heading towards a great domain ahead. All right. So, Amit, one question I wanted to ask, which I ask everybody. Okay,
Mm.
very common question, and try to be very frank with this. You have got an achievement, you've got an accomplishment right now. Do you think that, if you would have strived yourself without the help of Orolingua,
Mm.
do you think this achievement would have come to you as easy as it has come now? What is your view on this?
See, for Dubai as well,
Hmm.
same organization I tried multiple times earlier also, but not got any response from them. But after joining you, I got the response. And seriously, when I was giving the interview to the HR manager, the final interview that was happening, HR
Hmm.
manager and chief marketing officer was there. And we were then they have opened my CV, and I was just checking which CV was that.
The one which you
Because we have
created.
created so many CVs based on.
I know. You won't believe the way the team functions. We keep on, sometimes from where you start, from where you end, when you look back, you see, oh, is it me? Is it really my domain? Is it something that you will be a surprise, but that is an evolution that you have undergone,
Hmm.
which is, I'm glad that you have acknowledged, you have seen it, and I am really happy. Now make a serious movement ahead. Do not stop here, Amit. Okay, this
Yeah.
is just a temporary pause for you. You
Hmm.
still have a milestone to go ahead. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Fantastic. So I think all the best to you, Amit, and
Thank you.
keep sinking, and do keep coming on to first you finish off this phase of yours, okay? And once an Orolinguan, always an Orolinguan, you will always be in our community and all that. So, and we get a lot of references from our existing mentees. So in case in your company there are good references coming, feel
Hmm.
free to, circulate it amongst the team, and
Sure, sure.
anybody interested, why not give them the first pick?
Okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
sure. All right. Yeah, thank
Super, Amit. So I wish you all the best. And
you.
what do you have one word to say for the folks who would like to join Orolingo? What is your advice and suggestion to them? Those who are aspiring, those who are wanting to move out of India, what is your one or two tips that you would like to give them?
Uh, I will say that trust is first, because you have to trust ALC, and also believe in yourself as well. So because
Hmm.
sometimes you will feel low, but with the support of, as I said, that talking to you, it's like a remedy for us sometimes. That we have to do this, we have to, and you continuously pushing us that you have to do this, you have to complete these courses, you are lacking there, you are like, so these are the things I think you are like proactive enough to support the mentees, and it's like a wonderful experience with you guys. I think
Thank you. Thank you.
it's
That's
not
so sweet
it's
of
not
you.
one word, maybe it's quite a definition. Maybe
I'm
again,
sure. I'm sure.
yeah, maybe in Chat GPT again we have to shorten it.
Now, to Chat GPT 4 has become free also. But like I keep on saying, no Chat GPT, no AI. Please avoid these. These are temporary phases. These are temporary tools, but
Yeah,
should not get stuck to it. What you need to get stuck to it is your mind. What we have taught you, your ability. That because you are getting connected to human beings.
Correct.
It's not AI who's recruiting you yet. It is the human being who's recruiting you. And these connectivities will fetch you ahead. Sounds good?
Yeah.
Superb. So I think having said that, I will not take much of a time. You can go ahead and start working on your domain and let's catch up,
Yeah, sure.
whenever you're free, once you get settled, then we can catch up. All right?
Sure. Sure.
All
Thank you
right,
so much.
Amit. All the best.
Bye.
Just take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All the
See
best.
you.
All the best to you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Smita.
Bye.